Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you where to find your clipboard inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, there's lots of ways to find your clipboard on Android. So I'm just going to show you one way. So click into any web browser. And now you can go up to the URL section of the browser. And then once you've clicked into the URL section, this will appear down below, and next to the emojis there's a clipboard here. So simply click on your clipboard and this will see where all your recently copied text or photos, images are saved here on this clipboard. Another way to find this is to open up your notes. So you go into your notes and then write a note, and then next to the emoji again you got the clipboard. That's where you can find your clipboard as well. And if you're inside text messages, the same thing. So go ahead and click open your text messages. Alright, I'm going to open up a random message inside my messages, and then click onto the chat and your clipboard will appear here also. So anywhere where you're going to write a message or type somewhere, when you open up your keyboard, you've got the option to see the clipboard there. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. How to view your clipboard inside your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.